All right, so we are doing parts of similar triangles. Here we go. An altitude. Oh, wait, sorry. If two triangles are similar, then the corresponding parts are proportional. So the altitude is going to be proportional to the side, or this altitude is proportional to the other side. So the line that's drawn down the middle of the triangle, whether it's an altitude, an angle bisector, or a median, is going to be related to the sides in a proportion. So right now, an altitude, remember an altitude makes 90 degrees. So my proportion is that the altitudes, the two lines that come down, BD over FH is going to be equal to either these sides, ABEF, or BCFG. So the two lines that go down the middle are going to be related to one of the sides, either this one or this one. I'll just pick AB and EF for this. Okay. So then, angle bisector. So notice that with an angle bisector, these two line segments are not equal. So I've got just the angle that's cut in half. So I'm going to compare the middle line, QS, it cuts down the middle of the triangle to UW. And that's going to be congruent to, let's pick a side. How about QP and UT? Okay. The median, the line down the middle, a median makes two congruent parts on the opposite side. There's no angle bisector, there's no 90-degree angle, okay? This is gonna be cuts the opposite side in half. Obviously, angle bisector bisects the angle. So in a median, the side of the triangle is cut into two equal parts. So I'm going to compare still the middle line, HJ over LN, to one of the sides. It could be even HI and LM. Okay. Doesn't matter which side you compare, left side, right side, whatever. Okay. Let's do some samples. I'll do 1 and 3, but I'll give you the answers to 2 and 4. Okay. So if I'm comparing these two triangles, I really should have them looking the same and facing the same direction. So here's what I'm going to do. Okay, these are cut in half. So I'm just having them face the same direction, which means SU is 19.2. You don't have to draw them like this if you don't want to redraw it, but I think redrawing is really helpful. Because now I'm going to compare the median line, SW over DF, which is, by the way, X over 15, right? And then either side. Do you want to do, let's do the 16 and 20, because I don't want to deal with the decimal. 16 over 20, the side to the side. So here's my median line to the side of a triangle. Cross multiply. 20x equals 240. X equals 12. I'm just going to set up number 2 for you. 10 over 8 equals x over 14. Just setting it up. Three, even though they're written, sideways and upside down triangle, I'm still going to do 32 over 24 is the same as 38 over x. See that? Okay, I'll set up number 4 for you. 12 over 15 equals x over 42. Oh, I never solved number 3. I'm so sorry. 32x equals 912. X equals 28.5. Okay. Questions on these first 4? We're going to move on to the next topic. Triangle angle bisector theorem. An angle bisector in a triangle separates the two opposite sides into two segments that are proportional. So AD is going to be proportional. AD is going to be proportional to DC. And then I compare the two sides. AB over BC. But I'm going to have them be like wavy because I didn't say they were the same size. I said that they're proportional to each other. They're not necessarily the same length, but they're in proportion to each other. So here's what that looks like. So the two bottom pieces, like 4.8 is going to go over X. And then I'm comparing the sides, 12 over 18. 4.8 is on the numerator, so that means that 12 is on the numerator. And then 4.8 over 12. Wait, 4.8 over X equals 12 over 18. And when you multiply, I get 12x equals 86.4. Okay. Let me write the proportion for number 7 just so you know how to set it up. 40 over 36 equals 54 over X. Oh, I never solved number 4. Wow, sorry. Number 6 is 7.2. All right, number 8 has a little bit of missing information. Somebody tell me, if the whole bottom is 39, 15 of it is used up, what's the other part? The whole thing is 39, 15 of it is used up.
24.
24. So here we go. 15 over 24 equals X over 36. Okay. Cross multiply. 24x equals 540. X equals 22.5. Let me set up 9 for you. Here we go. Oh, well, if the whole bottom is X, this is X minus 12. 12 over X minus 12 equals 18 over 30. Cool. Question?
No, I turned on my mic on accident, sorry.
Oh, that's fine. Okay, last one. This whole bottom is 45, which means that the missing piece is 45 minus 27. What's 45 minus 27? Somebody tell me.
18.
Good. Here it is, guys. 27 over 18 equals 3x minus 9 over x plus 11. And did you know, you guys, that you can simplify? So I can make this a 3 over 2 because 9 goes into both of them. 3x plus 33 equals 6x minus 18. Do 51 equals 3x. X equals 17. So it's all a matter of how you compare. I highly recommend referring to this up here. And then obviously on the front page, the middle line corresponds with one of the sides. The middle line corresponds with one of the sides. Okay. All right, well, I'll stop the recording.